This video we're going to be creating a reverse loop, which getting started is a little bit different from the actual loop or the last video that you worked with. So to get started, we're going to go to File and then Import and go to Video Frames to Layers, and then find where you have your image or video saved and hit Open. And then this here is going to show you your video, so you can see it over here if you hit play. And what we're going to do is select just one part of the video. So you want to select just a small sample. So when we create the Cinemagraph, it's not going to take a while to load and to upload and save things. So we're just going to use a small clip from this. So in order to find the small clip, I'm going to find where I want my video to start. Now, since this is going to be a reverse loop, we don't have to include much. So I'm just going to start right here where the hand grabs the hand sanitizer. And then to crop the first part of my video, I'm just going to slide this over to where that starts. And then I'm going to find where I want the end to be. So since this is going to be reversed, so it's a reverse loop, all I have to do is just grab that section where the hand disappears and then crop the rest of my video off to the side there. So then if I scroll this back over and play my video of what I have, it's just the hand grabbing the hand sanitizer and moving out. Because when I reverse it, it's going to show the rest of the video for you automatically. So then I'm going to hit OK. So now this loads all of my frames into the image, so you can see all those frames down there. And what I'm going to do is select them all. So I'm clicking on my first frame, holding down Shift and scrolling over to my last frame and clicking on that. And then in this little settings over in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to click there. And from here, I'm going to be duplicating my frames. So to duplicate the frames, you're just going to hit Copy Frames. So then it copied all of the frames. And now I'm going to click on my last image. So this number 41 here, the last frame. And then I'm going to hit Paste Frames. And then I'm going to click Paste after selection. So that's going to be the end of the video here. So the last set of frames. So now you can see it pasted all of these. And right away I'm going to click on this. And then I'm going to reverse the frames. So that automatically reversed that second half of the frames for me. So now if I hit the space bar, it's going to play my video. It looks like it's a little bit in slow motion, but that's okay because we are going to export the video in a minute. But now you can see that it is reversing the loop, so it's creating this constant loop of the hand sanitizer being pressed down and then the hand brought back out. So now we're going to save these frames that we've created. So you're going to go up to File, and then you're going to export your video. So go to Export, and then down to Render Video. So Render Video at the bottom. And then just type in a name for it. So I'm going to say Video 1. And then I'm going to choose a folder to save it. And I'm just going to click Desktop and Render. So that's going to take a little bit of time to load, so give it some time to render your video. Now to complete your video, you're going to open what you just saved. So we're going to go to File, Open, and then find the video that was saved. And as soon as this video loads, you can hit the space bar and it should play your video. So it's going to take a minute to load and make everything fit without freezing the end there. But now it's that consistent loop, so you're able to see it on repeat here, full speed, full time. And at this point I would go through and adjust levels, curves, add those adjustment layers. So get that final image looking how you want. And then you're good to move on to the next step, which is saving it. So go on to that video that'll show you how to save, finalize your video.